G'day all, I'm over here at Wellington train station, platform 8, waiting for the 6:35 melling all-stopper. We're going to watch these trains come in and go out, and around about 7 o'clock, around that time, we're going to go get my money out and then go to the vending machine and my service car where I'm staying is over in the bus stop, just adjacent to the car park, just adjacent to the train station, just over there on the other side of the bus. So all we're doing is waiting for
Services are replaced by bus between Wellington and Jacksonville due to maintenance. Services depart at 2 minutes past the hour and 32 minutes past.
So we'll see if because I'm now down in Whitby, I'm not in Levin anymore, so this is going to be a bit of a reoccurrence. Hello. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some good footage of the train coming in and then leaving, and hopefully I can get to the other end of the platform before the train leaves. I think I might go up there now. So we're walking up platform 8. There's a melling train that's not in use and he's just asleep. So the melling train stops here. And apparently the upper hut train does too, but the upper hut train is got flipped over to melling line. It's just past 6:22 right now. Yeah, there's not much I can do about the wind noise.
Passengers. Due to planned maintenance, trains are running between Wellington and Melling only. To travel between Ava and Kamare, transfer to a bus at Patoma Station. For travel between Manor Park and Upper Hutt, transfer to a bus at Melling Station. For assistance, see Melling staff or visit melling.org, Ryan said.
You heard the announcer.
Stopping at all stations is replaced by buses departing from platform 10 in 10 minutes.
2 minutes before the Johnsonville bus leaves. Okie dokie, I think this train coming in now is the melling train, so we'll just park ourselves over here and just wait. Nope, that looks like a Johnsonville train that's just come back. That looks like a Johnsonville train that just come back. Parking up for the night, I think. As you see, if you can see it, Blue Bridge is over there, unloading from their trip over to the other side of the South Island, and the car with the lights on over there is my car. So yeah, we're just waiting around. I'll put the video on pause and get back to it when the train starts coming in. I believe this train that's coming through now is the melling train. I believe it is the melling train, this one. It's come, it looks like he's coming from the yard. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but yeah. I don't think it is. Well, what a stab in the dark that was. Totally a stab in the dark. It's not the melling train. It's just another one coming down to the platform from the yard. This one here is the all stopper to Porirua. That train there, and it's a non-stop to Wellington from Porirua. I think the other one was the all-stopper from, I think the other one was the all-stopper from waikanae, I think. I'm not going on the tracks, I'm just going up here to just see if I can see the train, you know. And sometimes these gates up here are open, which it looks like they are open.
For assistance, see network staff or visit network for Wellington.
So what say we go up there for a bit of a gander, right? I'm afraid you probably won't see anything because it's a bit dark out here. So yeah, we'll just go up to the top. Sorry, I'm trying to get over a little bit of a sore throat. Yeah, we'll just go up to the top up here. You can clearly see where we're going. And once I'm up here, fingers crossed.
It's replaced by buses departing from platform 10.
Fingers crossed. We have a call out from Thorndon Fire Station, because I've been wanting to film the Thorndon Fire Station going out on a call, but I haven't been in the vicinity of that area when they have got a call. So it'd be nice to see the call out of it'd be nice to see the call out of Thorndon Fire Station while I'm waiting for this dang train to get in, because he's only going to Melling, then coming back from Melling, coming back to Western Hut, to Petone, and then from Petone to Naranga, and then yeah, that's about it. It's only a short little trip, but yeah, sometimes it's good to just come up here and watch, you know. So this line here is platform 8, right here where these points are. That's platform 8 right there.
Services are replaced by bus between Wellington and Johnsonville due to maintenance. Services depart at 2 minutes past the hour and 32 minutes past the hour.
It's alright, I'm okay.
next Johnsonville line service to Johnsonville, stopping at all stations, is replaced by buses departing from platform 10. Please board now for this service.
Yep, that's the Johnsonville bus. Thorndon Fire Station is just over there. So if the lights go on the road and the doors go up, I'll make sure I'll make sure I put the camera over that way to see it. I think this is the melling train coming in now. The train going to Melling.
Melling line service to Melling, stopping at all stations, departs from platform 8 in 4 minutes.
So this is going to be a quick turnaround for the train. It's going to be a very quick turnaround because the train's going to come in. The passengers that are on the train are going to get off, and then new passengers are getting on, and then it's practically going to leave again. I can't do much about the wind noise. It's a little bit haphazard, but well, it is a little bit cold because it's a southerly, like a southwester.
Attention waikanae passengers. Due to planned maintenance, trains are running between Wellington and melling only. To travel between Everett and a bus at the station. Become 3 minute up from behind. Resistance, signal staff, 7
Not too many passengers on that train. Not too many passengers on them. I think we'll go down. I want to be in time to catch the waikanae train leaving as well. So this train here leaves at 6:35. See, it's a very quick turnaround. Very quick turnaround. Because they're doing the Hutt Valley line as well, because the Hutt Valley line is being replaced by buses, and there's train replacements at Petone, train replacements at Melling Station. So yeah, it's just one of those things, because it would be nice to do a train replacement, you know, but I don't have the money for it, and I'm not going to be.
Next County line service to Waikanae, stopping at all stations, departs from platform 5 in 10 minutes.
I'll be over there before then. 10 minutes, I'll be over there before then. So here we are back on platform 8. Platform 5 is over there. So it's not that long. It won't be that long before the train leaves again. Yep, go. A lot of people want to hurry to catch the train because they don't want to miss it. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Very quick turnaround, and here it goes again. going out to Melling again with a reasonable full load of passengers. Now, the other train that I want to see go out is the Waikanae train, and we have to just go over there to platform 5, which is not far away, and fingers crossed we get the departure of that one. I'm not going to go over to platform 10 to get the departure of the Johnsonville bus, because the Johnsonville bus is gone already. So yeah, but it would be awesome to see the Northern Explorer come in, because the Northern Explorer normally comes in around about maybe 6:30. Could be 6:30 or could be 7:15 or something like that. I really wouldn't know. But the Wairarapa bus, those ones there are nice to see. There's
passengers. Due to planned maintenance, trains running between Wellington and melling. To travel between Avon and Waikanai, transfer to a bus at Patanga Station. For travel between Manukau and Hutt, transfer to a bus at Melling Station. For assistance, see Melling staff or visit Wellington.
This one here is always Melling. It's always going to be Melling until such time as there's a bus replaced. That's quite some time from now. And what I'm thinking I might do after seeing this Waikanae train go, is I may actually sit down, take a breather. Because I'm actually getting sore. So here we are. Platform 5, and he's running, looks like maybe 2 of the front trains. I got a stitch. Yeah. 2 train 4 car. These ones here are asleep. That's why you can't hear them buzzing. This one here might be in the tow. I don't think so though. Been a busy day?
Has been, yes, yeah. Home time now, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm just waiting for my pay to go in because I got my ride over there.
Oh,
So I thought,
you going to the Hutt?
no,
Where are you going to?
back to Porirua, where I come from.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not taking the train.
Oh, you're not taking the
Just
train?
doing rail planning for YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, yeah. So, have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
We'll just sit here and watch the train go. Four minutes until it goes. I think that's what it said. 8:40, 6:44. I think that's what it said anyway, but
Services are replaced by bus between Wellington and Johnsonville due to maintenance. Services depart at 2 minutes past the hour and 32 minutes past the hour.
hard push.
The next current line service to Waikanae from stopping at all stations departs from platform 5 in 4 minutes.
I think it's 6:45 the train leaves, I think. Not sure.
Hello. Anh trai.
You won't be taking me on the train tonight.
Oh, not going on this one?
I'll get one of those sneaky free rides.
Next one.
Forward. You guys to leave at 6:45, do you?
6:44.
Oh yeah. 1 minute before. Not far to go now.
Oh, there you go.
Attention Taipei line passengers. Due to planned maintenance, trains running between Wellington and melling only. To travel between Ava and Wellington, transfer to a bus at Patani Station. For travel between Manor Park and the Hut, transfer to a bus at Melling Station. For assistance, see Melling staff or visit melling.org.nz.
Oh
The
yeah.
next Capital Line service to Waikanae.
I see a diesel train coming
is
in.
due to depart from platform 5. Please board now for this service.
I think that's a diesel train. Although it could be. It doesn't sound like a diesel train. It sounds like one of the. It sounds like one of the electric units. Looks like one of the electric units as well because. Oh. Yeah. Because those other ones will be a little bit longer. Yeah, it is an electric unit. This one here is 4161 on a 2-train 4-car setup. Hurry up, about to leave. No, catch the next one. Catch the next one, not this one. Catch the next one. Still be platform 5. Right, see you later, waikanae train. Right.